Hey everyone, it is your girl Curly Girl Michaela, and I just want to say welcome back to another video. And before we get started, I noticed our subscribers have been going up, so I just want to say thank you for subscribing to my channel. Make sure you subscribe if you are a first-time visitor to this channel, and show some love. Alright, well, I'm going to be showing you guys how I recurl my synthetic wigs. Over time, they do get frizzy. The curls tend to drop and it gets annoying. They're so cute, like I don't want to throw them out, you know, you don't want to waste it, you don't want to get rid of it so fast. So I'm going to show you what to do, so let's get started. So as you can see, here is one of my synthetic wigs. This was actually the wig I did in my last video, my fall inspired wig. As you can see, I washed it. The curls started to drop, started to get frizzy. But I'm going to show you guys the secret on how I recurl these wigs. So this is a freshly washed wig. The wig is washed, it's clean. It was very greasy before. You don't want any grease in your wigs because it makes it hard to style. You want to make sure that the hair is damp before you start styling, because you need it to be damp. And you're just going to comb it out, make sure there's no knots in it, there's no tangles. So first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to section off the hair. Put the hair into sections. See, we got a little knot. Wet it just a little bit more because you need the hair to be damp. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of my curlers. I'm going to find out where my mom got these from, because she got these curlers and I don't really know where exactly she got them from. But anyway, I love these. They really get your curls to pop. They really define the wig. And what you're going to do is you're going to start rolling from the bottom. Just going to take the hair, fold it over, and then you're just going to wrap it up like so. Just like that. And then there you go. And we're just going to repeat the same process again. And try and keep all the hairs intact when curling it. And don't make the sections too big because you want to be able to wrap. Oops. Because you want to be able to wrap everything. Okay guys, as you can see, now all the curlers are in. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this little scarf thingy, I forgot what you call them, but I'm just gonna put it over the wig so it can hold all the curls in place. Alright. Oh, it's kind of like going to the salon and getting a washing set. Alright. Now I'm going to take my portable hooded dryer. I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to show you guys. This is my portable Revlon hooded dryer. I love it because it can dry your hair from home. It's really easy to use. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on the wig stand. Okay guys, don't mind the background. This is what I was hiding from y'all. But now we're just gonna adjust it. Hold on. I'm gonna turn it to high, and I'm gonna do it for a good 45 minutes to an hour to make sure the curls are thoroughly dried and that we get these curls popping. Okay, and all you got to do is turn it, but I got nails, so I'm gonna do it off camera because I'm gonna be struggling. Alright guys, it has been an hour. Let's see the results. Let's take this off. Hopefully her washing set is on fleek. Alright. Ooh, curl. Here, I'm gonna put the camera down a bit. Yes, we have curl, we have bounce, we have wave. Ooh, these rollers are hot. Okay, I'm loving it. Ooh, this is hot. Guys, these are hot. And it's crazy because I was gonna throw this wig out because I was so mad, but the curls started to drop. But I was like, no, I can preserve this wig. I'm gonna preserve this wig. I'm like, we're gonna fix this wig ASAP. Ooh, look at this curl, y'all. Look at that. You see that bounce to it? Alright, 3 curlers left. Let's see if all our curls are gonna be perfect. And just make sure you twist it a bit when you take it out. You know, hold the curl in place. This is looking divine. Okay, take it out, twist it, get your curl pumping. Last one, guys. She looks beautiful. She kind of looked like how when I first got her. I'm gonna comb it out a little bit. Comb out all those little bumps and kinks in it. Alright, y'all, this is the finished look. As you can see, the curls look amazing. They're bouncy. They look great. Alright, loves, I hope you enjoyed this video so much. Today, I will not be putting this wig on my head. I know most videos you see, the people put the wig on after, but I'm giving my hair a break. I just want my natural hair to breathe. Like, I don't want to put on a wig right now. But I really hope this method helped you and that you guys learn how to beautifully get these curls on point. Okay. All right, guys, I will put it in the description box below where you get the curlers, where you can get your portable dryer, everything you need to get your wig curled and on fleek. But all right, guys, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe and support your girl out. Bye.